By the end of this video, you'll have done the thing you keep putting off. An actual investing account, open, funded, and your first fund bought. Not someday, today. I'll walk you through every screen, every button, in the exact order. The whole thing takes about 15 minutes, and most of that is waiting on a transfer. Let's just do it. Step 1. Pick the account type. 30 seconds. Don't overthink it. Before you pick where, you pick what. 2 options matter for you. A Roth IRA is a retirement account with a tax superpower. Your money grows and comes out completely tax-free later. In 2026, you can put in up to $7,500. For almost everyone watching, this is the one. Start here. A regular taxable brokerage account has no limits and no penalties for pulling money out early, but you don't get the tax break. Use this only after you're maxing the Roth, or if you're investing for something before retirement. Beginner, investing for the long haul? Roth IRA, moving on. Step 2. Pick a brokerage. You need a company to hold the account. The big 3 beginners can't go wrong with Fidelity, Charles Schwab, and Vanguard. All 3 have 0 account minimums, 0 trading fees, and their own low-cost index funds. If you want the simplest app experience, Robinhood also does Roth IRAs now. Here's the honest truth. The specific one barely matters. Do not spend 3 days comparing them. Pick Fidelity if you want a safe default. Open the app or the website, and let's go. Step 3. Open the account. Hit Open an Account, choose Roth IRA, and it'll ask for a few things. Have these ready: your social security number, your driver's license or ID, and your bank login or your routing and account numbers. It feels like a lot because it's a financial account. That's normal. It's the same info as opening a checking account. It asks about employment and income to follow federal rules, not to judge you. This part takes about 10 minutes, and then you're approved, usually on the spot. Step 4. Fund it. The account is open but empty. Link your bank. Most brokerages let you log into your bank right there to connect it instantly. Then transfer some money in. Start with whatever you've actually got. $50 is fine. $500 is fine. The number matters way less than the fact that you started. A bank transfer usually takes 1 to 3 business days to settle. So don't panic when the cash shows up, but you can't invest it yet. Step 5, the step everyone gets wrong. If you take one thing from this, putting money into your investing account is not investing. This is the mistake I see constantly. People transfer $500 into a Roth IRA, see the balance, and think they're done. They're not. That money is just sitting there as cash, doing nothing, earning nothing for months. Opening the account and funding it is like putting groceries in your cart. You still have to check out. You have to actually buy the fund. Money sitting as cash in a brokerage account is not invested. It's just parked. So after every single transfer, there's one more move. Place the buy. That's the step that turns "I have an account" into "I'm actually investing." Miss it, and you've done all the work for 0 of the reward. Step 6. Buy your first fund. Here's the part that feels scary and takes about 20 seconds. In the app, hit the search bar and type a ticker. That's the little symbol for a fund. A solid, boring, beginner-proof pick is a total market or S&P 500 index fund. On Fidelity, that's FZROX or FXAIX. Vanguard, VTI or VOO. Schwab, SWTSX. Any of these buys you a slice of hundreds of the biggest companies in one shot for a rock-bottom fee. Tap it, hit buy, and here's the key move. Choose to buy in dollars, not shares. Type the amount you want to invest, say $200. And most brokerages let you buy a fractional share, so you don't need the full price of one share. Review the order, confirm, done. Congratulations, you're officially an investor. Step 7, automate it so you never think about it again. One last thing, and this is what separates people who build wealth from people who open an account and forget it. Set up an automatic transfer. even $25 or $50 every payday, straight into the account. And if your brokerage allows it, an automatic recurring investment into that same fund. Now you're investing on autopilot. No willpower, no remembering, no watching the news and getting scared out of it. The money moves and buys the fund whether you think about it or not. That's the whole game. That's it. Account type, Roth IRA. Pick a brokerage, open it, fund it, and, the step people forget, actually buy the fund. Then automate it and walk away. You just did the hardest part, which was starting. Now, real talk. The first time the market drops 10% and your balance turns red, your gut is going to scream at you to sell. That reaction is exactly what wrecks new investors. Next up, I'm breaking down what to actually do when the market crashes, so you don't panic sell your future. Subscribe so you catch it.